Well, apparently Mel's taken us to this river that you can't swim in because it looks like it's about a foot deep. I wanted to go to the falls or to the resort with the slides, but no, we've got to go to this river thing. I can't wait to see it. It should be fun, not. Who bought this for you, Mom? This outfit? Yeah, well, obviously I didn't buy it, did I? Look at the bum in that. So, Manet's closed the shop to go to this river. So, by all accounts, it's a really nice river.
Because it's supposed to be wind power off today.
With rocks.
They can sell.
So you can't swim in it. There's nowhere to swim. It's just a river.
It's for enjoying.
Well, I mean, the main thing is, I guess, it's not the venue. It's who attends the venue.
Exactly.
Yeah. Yeah. He can't come because he's meeting his girlfriend. Yeah, I know. And Dua and his girlfriend, who's working today. She's working to. I know she's not. Huh? Yeah, but he told me she was working. We're on the Jeep now, going to Panicuason. Now, when you're commuting, you can get on the what? When you're commuting, you've got to wait till the Jeepney's full. So depending on what time of the day and how many people wants to go to Panicuason, you might be sat here for an hour or more before the Jeepney takes off. So we're going to the river anyway.
And it's for fun.
Yeah, it's for fun, apparently. It's obviously not swimming. Nobody's going to be swimming. It's not deep enough from the pictures I've seen anyway. So there's some more of the family coming. I don't know where they are. So as soon as they're on, we should take off. So we've been dropped in the middle of nowhere. And at the very least, there's a goat for sale. If you want a goat. Nobody really knows where they're going.
Yeah, we don't have idea.
It's been very well organised by my wife. So it's basically just ask. But we've picked a lovely day for it. It's beautiful. Panicuason. Look at that. See the mountain in the background? Isn't it beautiful? I could live round here. I could get some land and live round here, no problem. Now the 20 minutes from Naga, guys, has turned into about 40 minutes. I knew for a fact that if you get a jeepney from Naga to the hot springs, which we passed, I don't know, 10 minutes ago, it's about 30 minutes, 25-30 minutes depending. So it's like the blind leading the blind here. Welcome to the Philippines. Do you know, it's a long time since I've been in Ore, but my God, I could live up here. Look at the view there. I'm sorry guys, it's a GoPro, so you ain't gonna see much with this GoPro.
Their house there, look.
Yeah, I know.
Can you live here?
But unless they've got a well, they won't have water. They've got electricity because I can see a line going to it. You ain't gonna get internet up here, I very much doubt. Are you a Muslim?
Yeah.
I said to her, what are you doing? She says, I'm getting out of the sun. I says, I want you to get a tan. No, I don't want. Lapu-lapu, tilapia. Someone else says it's alright, Chris, it's not very far. It's like 3 days later, we're still walking. Hey, I'm just gonna show you this bungalow, guys. I should have turned the camera on earlier. Just bear with me. But you know if I buy something, it's gonna be like this bungalow. I love this bungalow. If it was for sale and I had the money, I'd buy it straight away. I'd love to live here. Now normally I wouldn't advise a foreigner to live out in the sticks unless you've got big walls around you and plenty of security. But I'll go back on my advice. Look at this bungalow. Is it lovely? Plenty of land around it, look. Plant some fruit trees and get a vegetable garden going. Beautiful. Oh man, look at this. Look at this. Can you imagine if you could buy just this and then put a bungalow like I've just shown you on it? I love it here. I love it. It's quiet, the air's fresh, it's cool. I mean, look at all the trees, coconut trees. Oh yeah, that's no good for Mel, there's no gossip.
No gossip.
Yes, I didn't realise Mel's alright gossip, you know. I've only just found out recently. Oh, not me, some people.
Not me.
Oh yeah, of course not you. Never you. Well, I was told like 15 minutes ago by Mel, I was informed we're nearly there.
3 days later.
And I'm saying, oh, next time Mel, we could just come in the car, just us and the kids, have a picnic. But you couldn't get the car up here, especially if it's been raining by the looks of it. So we'd have to leave it on the main road and just walk this bit. Oh God. I love it. See all the locals walk around with a machete on them. Oh yeah. We're going in there.
No, going there. Say no.
Straight on. Why is he in there?
They just pointed over there down. They have a sign saying Padre Pio. I will take a picture. Hey na, diretso. Hey na.
How do you pronounce that, Mel? Saint Padre what?
Saint Padre Pio. Padre Pio.
Saint Padre Pio. That's what I said.
Saint Padre Pio.
Look, I speak English. You speak the Filipino. Saint Padre Pino. Pio, sorry.
Pio.
Pino. Idiot. Well, look, guys, I'm telling you from. Don't listen to these Filipinos about time. I should know better, shouldn't I? It's not a 20-minute walk. We're talking at least 30 minutes to get here. And if you come here, I've looked at the pictures, I've not seen it. I'll have another look, obviously. But I don't think you can swim in it, you can just paddle in it. Oh my God, look at that face.
Hi Chris,
I've got to talk to this other blogger, look.
please subscribe. I'm Brit in the Philippines with Chris Ren. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down.